Let me get my money. If I like, I go dash to the bad person. Anybody where I like, if for this life it is good for somebody to appreciate. Anybody where you give 1 naira, where you appreciate you.
Hey, way, my people. I greet the house. So, my people, this video na Destiny do I go put on for now. He's saying don't leave Edo Entertainment. Oh, you want to try Lagos? May see as it go be. You know, say sometimes, e good make person dey talk true. Destiny don try well. Many people no know say Destiny dey into entertainment before. Una understand? Many people no know. Now when we say in with lady or son like and the friend themselves, now people come dey like think and say maybe na true then na it take enter. Destiny don dey take so my people, I put this video una go watch am una see wetin him talk. I know say sometimes when you go dey live video, people dey comment different things. So then they tell am say make you no go Lagos, this one that one. He say he wan still try him best. He wan still go that side, go look and say Edo Entertainment no favour am. Make he still drive him car go another place to see am whether dem go still appreciate wetin him dey do. I know say sometimes if something dey your hand, if you not lose that thing, you no know say that thing get value. Because really Destiny don try well for many people for that Edo Entertainment. It's just that people, I know the way some people take they do now. Igbovo no magio we bear you wa. Now understand what I mean. You when they understand Benin. So he wants to try in your another side. He said, "Now he getting money anyhow way like he do one anywhere when he want put on he put on. Maybe we still leave and maybe still try. Maybe if he still go that side, go still like, oh, may I go back to my home? No, understand. So I wish him good luck. I wish him everything way good for this life because now he get money anywhere where he say want put on if he put on. As far as saying does still try for Edo Entertainment, he wants to look. As Yoruba people still be, whether they still be like us or the worst, you know, woman will divine or mindset. All right, my people, may I put this video more than watch and please send me to love and like, share this video, leave your comment. Do not forget to follow me on my page, Untouchable Mama Backup here, Untouchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube, Unto Mama na Mystic Get, and God bless you as you do. Leave your comment on this video, love and share. Bye bye for now. God will bless you now, so now take the help me now. Bye bye.
Now what for now? Yeah, Edo. Most of now when I want to grow. When I want to grow. I know so many people now they just see me and Destiny and I go say yes. He want I see some comments. I don't want just listen to now because I don't want nobody go fit drag my leg come and make I can't reply because if I can't reply now bomb. They talk say if they do something they want to do something for there's no take away be Igbo and everything. The one when I do for the industry, when I actually my call of their name, the one when I do for them for years, waiting again for a site. Both some way go they post the video today where they find one comment. When me from village can they go abroad, come back. My part die see for them. Not provoke me. My sleep do now. Now one tell me I never see how we are poor man but they tell big man I want to use money. Again why I go where what? You they talk about a big man where don't go where God don't bless. Not back man. I beg I not get let me get my money. If I like I go dash to the bad person. Anybody where I like, if for this life it is good for somebody to appreciate. Anybody where you give 1 naira, where you appreciate you. If you give a million, he will say appreciate you. Anybody where you give millions, where not appreciate you. If you see give her 10 naira, he not will appreciate you. You know how many people my wife, my old two don't pack camera give, take go do film. They not hear that from them. Months. They not go talk. If they come out, they'll call the brag. To appreciate something will be something. When you cut it, they say why you don't appreciate. For it to want to say, they not to say the help. When we imagine, I am with Madam, on my way saying appreciate it. So me, I don't try for Edo. I use my hand in that chest. When it comes to entertainment, I don't try. I don't do try. Like saying in Lagos, I did with everything. What I don't do for Edo, I for don't pass all those Demobi Kubana. Now your good thing with person they do for this life when they lost. If I tell you say Davido, I've not seen Davido. The last time I see Davido now his marriage. We not talk like that. He see my birthday. Now he go post down. For Davido, that is the highest person where they follow for the whole Africa. 29 million followers. he post my birthday. Then who then nice small pikin will get Facebook will get 30,000 followers or 100,000 followers. You come and talk to me, then me you come go reply that kind of person the Chris. Where I know where I don't go. You know what it takes. You know how many film my wife 002 right take promoted the industry. What Larry? Come, Mona pack well. The enjoyment what I enjoy for this my birthday will take me 1 month. Mona let me enjoy and well. Now it's all about Lagos. Benin, I don't try for them. Let me face Lagos for now. So that I will see the difference. Day for who, day for you. Not the year. Day for who, day for you. Who they would say 1 billion about 30 for the way am I saying? Please, the poster is there now. That this I know sabi add they say they add poster for add the poster of this one big show for this man. I don't know how to my poster. Something who they answer them, who they answer people who don't they brush it, hungry people who won't answer them they craze when I know my level. Me reach where the whole Benin they celebrate, not be lie. Me, I reach where the whole Benin go just come and celebrate. I never make una proud reach. If they kick ball for no lower, and one moment you want me no when one at ball, huh? What you not feel do? You still do and for you to be proud of now. Now what is the world now? You talk about people. You know how many Benin people where the industry where me don't even do something for I want to do something, I want to do party, you go still call them, they'll tell you say you bring money for them to take on. So when you buy a ticket, so when you give them money. Now your day SARS, you don't know anything. Why material making out the data and what do I tell you? Now what be you are? I don't make me verse. I better more talk about my show this weekend. Can't they let me they talk to all those idiot people who don't know where they pin them. The Chris. Where I don't reach for this life. If I ever rest like this, your full family don't finish there. Better more talk better thing, Jerry. I will feel this. Those are for now where the Lagos. I did now Lagos now. We want to take over Lagos. We have come to stay. Easy, my woman the park song they come out for now till they enjoy. You go bring the song come out. Everybody will use it until they enjoy. Look the song we dedicate to me now. These 2 tracks which she don't release this year. If now Yoruba artists now release this kind of sweet song, by now each of the song for don't get like 2 million followers. For them to go to YouTube, go to play, they'll go there, go download them, can and go to talk, go to play. Are you worried? Why you get back on? What? The 2 songs when my wife don't bring this year. Asak Monioba with this or Domenua. Go to talk now. All of the pack their husband come out till they celebrate them. This song. Huh? Pack and come out, they enjoy and everything to do the song. If now Yoruba person I get this song now, you go use and do tour for 3 years. And the tour everybody go they come out. You go if now Yoruba if now Yemi Alade now I play these 2 tracks, you go use and do tour for 5 years. My call many artists see they go show like 10 times a month for this same Lagos. Since he sing rich since the last song we released now about 5 years ago. Yeah, I mean I value yeah. You can't tell where you nobody talk. We do how why? I'm not sure they say they test monster because the tell us monster they sell for Benin. I mean on Talobi now. One they drink monster. Come on this monster to no you know fian coin. Who can tell me on how I'm now they appreciate you now. Go bring song come out all of you now. The song look at this same person, the same people where they carry the song till they do give themselves all the depression with their body take cure. You'll see 1 minute now they'll see go hide for inside fake account. Inside fake account till they write. Let me tell you one thing. Anybody who don't know you, as my wife talked today, cannot say something about you. Most of all those comments where they see, anybody where they comment bad now, people where they very close to you now they use fake account they do. Now they use in a sense. Person talk now, person not talk now. When me person talk. If we what if we do so, if I ever hear say any do person talk am, over here don't have it and because who were who ni make who we do. I beg, let's talk about my woman show. Man, your liver. I beg, as a lot of your deal this place. So I beg, Mona, you help me. Go and get your ticket. Thank you. Go and buy ticket for our show on Saturday, London. Sunday is Manchester. Please go get your tickets. It's gonna be fun. More can play different Benin songs. Now bye bye. Me leave all those people who never brushed it way they talk. So I say I do man what I'm a you got to beg and you know what hungry the cost. I want to wait here bona or pass away. Please share this live video. Saturday, advisor no Womagbe or Morege Egwasa, Osage Magbon and the rest coming to UK with full band. Saturday is London and Sunday. My show on the poster, I beg. Nise, I want to man's on here. Me get the hallelujah water long. Me pass over and me dey gbese you why. Anybody don't care about me? We have 30 million followers. We don't go around. I'm on 29 million followers. I'll post it. Wish you a happy birthday. Need the word here. One our friend. All those one go wa ta mo pe bo when he may when he live life there. Yeah, ogbon boy I met now. Only soon anywhere. Now my wife, I beg me. I see one video where you do yesterday. If not my wife will beg me, I for come out come you dey craze. You know how many of your voice record I get from my phone where you beg money? I will bet I will be you are. Man, I'll leave you. Man, I show no one about this thing. Chris. I don't leave them. I have not ban them. See, I beg. See, I'm here. This Saturday, please. Mokuna, you me cut and put for this video if you can. See, I'll be back. Advisor no Angbe. Well, they done the UK now. Now Saturday be the show. It's gonna be fun. So, yeah. See numbers there. All right. Okay, mommy, no, I'll send that for you now. Please, let's support our own. Support Advisor no Angbe. It's not easy to carry food ban from Nigeria. Please, okay. Let's go support. Mona emi your share and support and so this Saturday. Why agbada wa yo yagbe. Iwan bungbe. Come on, no ki apopo iwan ni ki ayu no kana. Elele gumaza. Ovi yanu wa wose bunami. Orobo sa robeyi. Bueno gwa lo wa ami ye. Iwe no wan gbe bungbe.